Hey car enthusiasts, it's the Austrian car guy, and today I need to address a little mix-up that happened in a recent video. It's all about setting the record straight and ensuring we're on the same page. Let's dive into it. First and foremost, I owe you all an apology. In my recent video, I made an error in terminology that might have caused confusion. A sincere thank you to Document 1755 for pointing my error out in a video where I mentioned switching from a fuel-injected engine to a naturally aspirated setup, which was not accurate. Both engines are naturally aspirated, but one is fuel-injected and the other is carbureted. It's important to correct this for clarity. Let's break it down. A naturally aspirated engine means that it relies on atmospheric pressure for air intake. No forced induction like a turbo or supercharger. Now within that category we have different fuel delivery systems, fuel injection and carburation. The distinction lies in how fuel mixes with the air before or while entering the engine. In my case, I'm transitioning from a fuel-injected engine to a carbureted one. The fuel-injected engine uses electronic systems to precisely deliver fuel and mix with air in the combustion chamber, while the carbureted engine relies on a mechanical carburetor to mix fuel and air before entering the combustion chamber. It's a significant difference in terms of technology and tuning. I always strive for accuracy in my content, and when a mistake happens, it's crucial to address it transparently. This situation is a learning opportunity, not just for me, but for all of us. Always double-checking and ensuring precision in our discussions is key. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever encountered a terminology mix-up or a misconception in the car world? Let me hear your experiences, knowledge, or funny mishaps in the comments. In wrapping up, I appreciate your understanding and patience. The world of cars is vast and intricate, and sometimes we navigate it with the best intentions but stumble along the way. Until the next episode, drive safe, stay curious, and may your passion for cars never waver. Tschüss!